I used to be satisfied with the technology provided by work and school until 5 years ago when I first met my Logitech G915 keyboard. It was love at first click. Before her, my days at the office going through spreadsheets were mundane. But that first click, it was like discovering color TV after years of black and white. Fast forward to now, I've upgraded to a customizable keyboard where I can change the caps, I can change the feel, the sound. But here's my dilemma. I'm torn between two amazing keycap sets. Pink or blue jelly keycaps. I am still shocked at how I used to be content with free keyboards and now I'm spending money on them. So if you have any cool keycap stories, share those too. Let's geek out together.